The NPC has this afternoon passed the decision on improving Hong Kong SAR's electoral system. I myself and the governing team of the Hong Kong SAR would like to pledge our staunch support and sincere gratitude to the passage. The political structure is the prerogative of the central authorities is also an important component in the electoral system. It is fully constitutional and legal. This time round, the central authorities take the initiatives from the national level to improve the system, aiming to ensure a number of objectives, having considered the actual situation. We all know what the actual situation is. The objective is to ensure that Hong Kong can stay true to the original aspiration in implementing the principle of one country, two systems, and get back on the right track, and to ensure that patriots will be administering Hong Kong. It will also by putting in place an institutional safeguard. It is through achieving all these objectives that we can fully and faithfully apply the one country, two systems in Hong Kong, which will be conducive to the long-term prosperity and stability of Hong Kong. The decision authorized the NPCSC to amend Annex 1, which is the CE's election method, as well as Annex 2, which is the formation of the Legislative Council. We will have to achieve a number of things. First, we will ensure that Hong Kong will be administered by patriots, and that we will fully implement one country, two system. We will also uphold Hong Kong permanent residents' right to vote and right to stand for election. We will start to make preparations to make amendments. We will spare no effort when the legislative work has been completed. Then we will have the basis to regulate and make sure that all electoral activities as well as elections are done properly. I am the Chief Executive of the Hong Kong SAR. In relation to this exercise to improve Hong Kong's electoral system, I play a very important role. I will give my full support to implement the new electoral system. And I truly believe that when this is done, and when we are able to implement the principle of patriots administering Hong Kong, we will be able to effectively resolve the problems we face in Hong Kong, that is, everything being politicized, and the difficult situation that Hong Kong has been placed in. We will then be able to start our work to improve people's livelihood.